Value and Meaning in the Universe. According to Plato, the first archetypal form emanating from the monad is the good. In fact, it is the only objectively real form, and it exists independently beyond space and time. All the other forms are subjective entities that range from higher to lower forms and culminate in material objects and mental images. So, in Plato's view, the ultimate intention of the logos, or purpose of creation, is to manifest the good. Virtue is simply the quality of embodying the good. That metaphysical core of virtuousness in the world, the good, is one of the first things we sense in life, and it becomes the core around which we build our lives as children. The sense of abiding goodness is our comfort and refuge when we're young, and it becomes the source of our morality as we grow older. Although the emerging intellect in children changes their focus to the outside world of decisions and ambition, that monadic memory of integrity is still there in most of us. An environment of pure virtuous integrity, or perfect goodness, is reported in many personal experiences of the monad, and experiencing it is the goal of many spiritual and meditative traditions from around the world. The question is virtuousness, or the regard for value and meaning, a basic part of monadic consciousness, as it is in human consciousness? In his book, Value and Existence, Canadian philosopher John Andrew Leslie writes, "No physical theory will be adequate to explain the universe. To solve this mystery, we must go beyond materialism and consider that there is something very different going on. Value is the animating force behind reality. If so, a universe capable of supporting value-sensitive minds would be a metaphysical necessity." Existence itself, notes mathematician Alfred North Whitehead, is the upholding of value and integrity. In his view, the greater monad and personal monads work together to fulfill the world. The perfect monad exists as eternally unrealized possibilities, and it requires conscious entities, personal monads, in the physical world to manifest them. Somehow, as Nobel laureate Roger Penrose expressed it, our consciousness is the reason the universe is here. Consciousness is the vehicle of all value, integrity, and meaning in the universe. Without conscious beings, nothing exists to bear witness to reality. Physicist John Wheeler argued that the universe exists because we give it meaning. The observer gives the world the power to come into being, he espoused, through the very act of giving meaning to that world. No consciousness, no communicating community to establish meaning, then no universe. So, is meaning, the sense of value and purpose, what the universe wants from us? A universe of great value versus one of mere existence? Asks British consciousness researcher Philip Goff. The animating force of reality may be mysteriously connected to its value or good. Goff proposes a new theory of reality called cosmopsychism, in which the universe itself is a singular monadic consciousness that is refracted into individual minds in the created world. All entities and objects, including conscious minds and experiences of value and meaning, are aspects of this cosmopsychic presence.